Hello friends, this is Hemant Tanwar. My subject is Economics, class 12th. Today I will be going to explain you about the national income and related aggregates, as this is very important topic from the viewpoint of national income accounting. So friends, let's start with the one of the most important point, which is related with the gross domestic product. Gross domestic product at market price. What do we mean by gross domestic product at market price? So, gross domestic product at market price refers to the gross market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country, but that is also during the period of one accounting year only. It means whatever production we have done in our last accounting year, that cannot be included, as well as whatever we are expected to produce, that will be also not going to get included. If you want to calculate GDP at MP, then you need to include the value of indirect taxes paid, as well as you are required to exclude the values of subsidies received. That I will explain you later on with the help of a formula also, but before that let me continue with one of the second important point of GDP at FC. What is the GDP at FC? So, GDP at FC is the gross domestic product at factor cost. This is one of the basis for calculating GDP at MP. Without this, I cannot calculate the value of GDP at MP. So, now you will think that, sir, what do we mean by GDP at FC? So, dear friends, GDP at FC refers to gross money value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of a country during the period of one accounting year only. Now, you will think that, sir, can you explain GDP at FC in short in a single word? So, yes, definitely it is possible. See, whatever production we are doing in our country, whenever it is calculated in terms of money, so that can be called as in the gross domestic product at factor cost. And whenever we will include the value of NIT in that of the gross domestic product at factor cost, so we are somehow getting the value of gross domestic product at market price. I will explain you with the help of few of the formulas. As you can see on screen, that calculation of GDP at FC is visible, and here it is written at first line, it is written that gross domestic product at factor cost is equals to all domestic production. Yes, dear students, it is 100% correct. It is this much easy only, that gross domestic product at factor cost is equals to all domestic product. Say for example, you have produced mask, you have done the manufacture or production of sanitizer, you have done the manufacture of food items, you have done the production or manufacturing of mobiles, as well as any other gadgets, or including other services. So, that all together whenever you will combine, so at last you will be getting GDP at FC. This is simple, this much simple only. Now, in other terms also we can calculate GDP at factor cost. Now, which are that other terms? So, you can see that GDP at FC is also equals to GDP at MP minus NIT. So, this is also now you will think that, sir, this one you have explained in GDP at MP also, and here in GDP at FC also you are explaining. Yes, exactly. See, each and every terminology is here, each and every aggregate, whether it is GDP at FC, whether it is GDP at MP, will affect on each other directly or indirectly. Now, here if the value of GDP at MP is given in your question, then how you are supposed to calculate the value of GDP at FC? So, it is very simple. See, I will give you one of the formula for it. In formula also I will give you one of the formula, that here G, that means gross, is given, you are required to calculate the value of gross. Domestic is given, you are required to calculate the value of domestic. Production is given, you are required to calculate the value of production. So, here no change will be there. But what about this market price, from where you are required to calculate the value of factor cost? So, market price is that price which always includes the amount of taxes, and therefore, if you will subtract the value of NIT, that is net indirect taxes, from market price, if you will subtract the value of NIT from market price, so you will be getting the value of factor cost. Now, what is this factor cost? You will think, see, whatever production cost you are having, whatever manufacturing cost you are having, that will be called as in the factor cost. And whenever we will include the amount of taxes, indirect taxes, then it will become the market price. So, now I think so it is very clear. So, students, if any doubt is there, then you can ask me about this, or elsewhere we will go forward. You can see one more formula I have written here, GDP at FC, where GDP at FC is again equals to GDP at MP minus indirect taxes minus subsidies. Now, you will think that, sir, earlier you have explained you that NIT we are required to subtract. Now, on place of NIT, sir, you have written IT minus subsidies. So, my dear friends, as we all know that NIT is also equals to indirect taxes minus subsidies. Net indirect taxes is also equals to indirect taxes paid minus subsidies received from the side of the government. So, that is why on place of NIT we can write indirect taxes minus subsidies also. One of the example is given over here, as GDP at FC you are required to calculate, where the value of gross domestic product at market price is given as 900 and IT is given as 500, as well as subsidies are of 600. So, out of 500, if you will subtract the subsidies, it means what? You have paid 500 rupees of indirect taxes to the government. In exchange of that, you can't imagine that government has given 600 rupees of subsidies. So, here I think so you are getting 100 rupees of additional benefit from the side of the government, and that is why minus minus is the plus. So, 900 plus 100 is equals to how much? 1000. So, the final amount of GDP at FC what you are getting over here is 1000. Now, after this, I would like to show you the calculation of gross domestic product at market price also. So, let us see what can we do in this. See, GDP at market price you have to calculate. For calculating gross domestic product at market price, all domestic production plus net indirect taxes. How it is? That also I will explain you. See, GDP at market price is equals to all domestic production plus on place of once again IT minus subsidies. How it is? Now, I will explain you over here. Concentrate. GDP at market price is equals to GDP at factor cost. GDP at market price is equals to GDP at factor cost. GDP at factor cost means all domestic production. Now, here you have to calculate the value of market price and you are given the value of factor cost. So, till when you will not add the value of NIT, you are not supposed to get the value of final market price, and that is why whenever you are adding the value of NIT in GDP at FC, so you are getting the final value of gross domestic product at market price. It is very simple. Earlier also I have explained you that factor cost is equals to market price minus NIT, or market price is equals to factor cost plus NIT. So, I think so this one is clear to all of you. Now, taking one of the next topic related with this lesson only. So, now you will see here that on place of GDP at MP, I have mentioned NDP at MP. You will think that, sir, what is this GDP, what is this NDP? See, GDP that means gross and NDP that means net. What is the difference between gross as well as net? So, you are aware as a commerce student, you all are aware with the value of net as well as gross. Whenever you are calculating the values in trading account, so you are getting gross profit and gross loss, and whenever you are calculating the values in profit and loss account, so you are getting the value of net profit or net loss. So, in the same way, whenever you want to find out the value of net, so what you are supposed to do? You are supposed to subtract the value of depreciation. Here we will include only and only the value of depreciation. Okay, other types of expenditures will not be included like accounting, because it is not an accounting, it is an economics. So here for calculating the value of net, you are supposed to subtract the value of depreciation from that of the value of the gross. Now if we will do the inverse of this, say for example you want to calculate the value of gross. So what you are required to do, whenever the value of net is given, so you are required to add the value of depreciation. So in this way you are getting both these values, net as well as the value of gross. So I think so students, now it is very clear that what do we mean by net domestic product at market price. Then also I will explain you once again that net domestic product at market price refers to the net market value of all final goods and services produced within the domestic boundaries of a country during the period of one accounting year. What is this net market value? So this net market value is equals to the gross minus depreciation. That means from the value of gross only you have to subtract the value of depreciation, you will be somehow getting the values of net domestic product. I will explain you with the help of some of the formulas also. So just you can see here that NDP, that is net domestic product at market price, is given, and for calculating the value of net domestic product at market price, what values are given in your question. So see, there may be different possibilities. We have already done with two values. Which are that two values? So the first one was GDP at FC and the second one was GDP at MP. This two we have already done. So now here if I would like to calculate the value of net domestic product at market price, and already the value of gross domestic at market price is given. You can see here the value of gross domestic product at market price is given. So how we can calculate the value of net domestic product? See, market price and market price both will remain same. Domestic product, here also domestic product, both will remain same. Now you are required to calculate the value of net from that of the value of gross. So I have already explained you that what you are supposed to subtract. So you are supposed to subtract the value of depreciation, and finally you are getting the value of net domestic product at market price, which is here. Now you will think that suppose sir, on place of gross domestic product at market price, it is given that gross domestic product at factor cost. So how I will calculate the value of net domestic product at market price? How it is possible? So again it is very simple. First, the value of gross domestic product at factor cost will be converted into the value of gross domestic product at market price, or else you can use this shortcut formula also. See, you are required to calculate the value of net. You are required to calculate the value of net where gross is given. So you are supposed to subtract the value of depreciation. Now domestic is given, production is given. Now you are required to calculate the value of market price, and the value of factor cost is given. So what you are supposed to subtract, or what you are supposed to add? So here you are supposed to add the value of NIT, because you want to calculate the value of market price from that of the value of the factor cost. So I think so students, it's clear. Below this I have given few more example, that net domestic product at market price is equals to GDP at factor cost plus NIT minus depreciation, and again NDP at market price is equals to NDP at factor cost plus NIT. So I will be explaining you this point in my next slide. Let's see. The next one is the NDP at factor cost. See, once again I will give you a short revision till now what we have done. So gross domestic product at market price we have done, gross domestic product at factor cost we have done, as well as net domestic product at market price we have done. So now the remaining part is what? So that is NDP at factor cost, and which is available over here. So let's see that what do we mean by net domestic product at factor cost. So it's also that much simple only as much the earlier concepts were. How it is simple? Because always net domestic value, that is factor value, is equals to the net money value only. Market value will be equals to the market value. Market price will be equals to the market value, whereas factor cost always equals to the money value of all final goods and services, once again produced within the domestic boundaries of a country during the one accounting year. Now, without wasting time, let us start the calculation for NDP at FC. So, here I will be supposed to use all three concepts which I have explained you earlier. NDP at FC is equals to what it equals to? It equals to many more things, but it depends on what are the things available in your question, what are the points given in your question. Suppose in your question it is given that GDP at MP. So, what you are supposed to do? So, here net you have to calculate, gross is given. So, it is very simple, you are supposed to subtract the value of depreciation. Domestic is given, production is given. Now, you are required to calculate the value of factor cost from market price. So, what we are supposed to do? So, we are supposed to subtract the value of net indirect taxes. So, it depends that if net you want to calculate, gross is given, so just subtract the depreciation. So, you will get net. If factor cost you have to calculate, if market price is given, so just subtract the value of NIT. So, you will get the value of factor cost. It is very simple. And the other formulas also given. So, I will just explain you one, that NDP at factor cost is equals to GDP at market price is given. So, here also we will use the same format, net you have to calculate, gross is given. So, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to subtract the value of depreciation. Domestic is same, production is same, factor cost you have to calculate, market price is given. So, we have to subtract the value of NIT. On place of NIT you can write indirect taxes minus subsidies also. Okay. So, I think so till here it is very clear, and once again I will explain you the same thing with one of the different formula. As you can see on your screen, it is given that NDP at FC you have to calculate same thing, NDP at FC, NDP at FC, NDP at FC, wherever GDP at FC is given. So, if you want to calculate the value of net from gross, so you are required to subtract the value of depreciation, and all other things are same. So, no need to do any type of changes. As well as once again, if NDP at MP is given and you are required to calculate the value of FC, so NDP both are same. For calculating the value of FC from market price, you are required to subtract the value of NIT. Okay. So, till here I think so you have understood clearly. These are the four concepts which are related with that of the gross domestic which we have seen till now, or net domestic. Now, I will start with the relationship between these four domestic concepts. Short summary we will see here. So, see, first we have seen that what about the GDP at market price? If you want to calculate the value of GDP at factor cost, so you are required to subtract the value of NIT, and then from GDP at factor cost, if you want to calculate the value of NDP at factor cost, so you are required to subtract the value of depreciation. From NDP at factor cost, if you want to calculate the value of NDP at market price, so you are required to do the addition of NIT, as well as once again you want to reach to your origin, and you want to calculate once again the value of GDP at market price. So, finally, once again you are required to add the value of depreciation. So, till here the concept of gross domestic product as well as net domestic product is very clear. Now, in next class we will start with the net national product as well as with that of the gross national product. Thank you so much.